Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making something super fun and different. It is a Greek recipe called Kofta. It is super flavorful, super tasty, and enjoyable, I would say, by most people. Alright, traditionally it's made with ground lamb, but today I'm making it with ground beef. So I have 3 pounds here, and I'm going to be adding a ton of spices like garlic, and there'll be some other ones like cilantro and cumin, some cinnamon, as you'll see as we go along in this video. All of these flavors just come together and they are just so gorgeous. You will definitely not be disappointed. Of course, all the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below, so you can bring this tasty dish to your own kitchen. Yum! Oh my goodness. The black pepper seemed odd to me at first, but I was like, oh yes. And the cinnamon. It added so much flavor, and it was just enough that it wasn't overpowering. Right, you ready for this, guys? Now it's time for the fun part. Mix and mix and mix. Obviously, I spit up this part. You want to mix this super well. I would even recommend adding an egg or two to the mixture to keep it more uniform and to add a bit more texture. Now you're going to take skewers. What is helpful for me is that I let them soak in some water for a little bit. It helps them with not burning up on the grill or in the oven, and just keeps them more uniform, keeps them from splitting. So as you can see with the mixture, you're just going to take all of that well-blended mixture and you're going to make it more like a sausage form and shape. Obviously, you can make this into meatballs. You can even make it into burger patties, whatever you prefer, whatever you're feeling like that day. You have many options at your fingertips. All right, so you can carry on making as many as you want, as you need to, with whatever thickness you prefer. And there you go. I mean, there is a lot of food here, guys. I wish you could smell this. It smells amazing. It's so fragrant. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. So the next step for me is usually I like to make this earlier in the day and wrap them up and throw them in the fridge to let those flavors settle and come together and really just infuse into the meat. Obviously, you don't have to, but if you have the opportunity to do this, I highly recommend it. So yeah, wrap it real good, and you can leave it in there for half hour, whatever your day looks like. Throw it in there, and they're ready to go whenever you're ready to cook. Okay, when you're ready to go, add a little bit of oil or spray to your oven or your grill. Make sure it's set to 375 and grill to your liking. Enjoy, guys.